Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the channel where we dive deep into the products that are making waves, setting trends, and topping the charts. Today, we're focusing on a category that's all about keeping you and your vehicle safe: car safety and security. We've scoured Amazon's bestsellers list to bring you the top products that drivers everywhere are trusting to protect their rides. From innovative gadgets to essential tools, we've got a lineup that's both practical and cutting edge. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your car's security or just curious about what's trending, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's get into the countdown of the best-selling car safety and security products on Amazon. Let's go! In a world where every second counts and safety is paramount, having a reliable backup camera is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. At number 5 on our countdown of best-selling car safety and security products, we present the Backup Camera Easy Setup Plug Play by LK3. This is not just a camera, it's your vigilant co-pilot on every journey. Let's talk about simplicity first. Installation couldn't be more straightforward. Just connect the camera and monitor with a 4-pin video power cable. Plug it into the cigarette lighter or USB and you're ready to go. No complex wiring, no endless tinkering, just 2 steps and you're done in 15 minutes flat. But simplicity doesn't mean compromise. This camera excels where it truly matters: signal stability. Unlike other systems that might falter or lag, the LK3 delivers seamless, real-time HD 1080p visuals, ensuring you're never left guessing. Picture perfect clarity, with 0 delays or interruptions. Because when you're on the road, every moment is critical, and it's built to last. With a housing crafted from ABS-TC material and enhanced with cutting-edge nano coating, this camera is 100% waterproof, boasting an IP69 rating. Whether you're facing torrential rain, biting cold, or scorching heat, it stands resilient. This camera thrives in extreme conditions, from a bone-chilling minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to a sweltering 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not just a piece of technology, it's your steadfast guardian against the elements. Now let's delve into what truly sets this camera apart: its Ultra HD picture quality and night vision. Engineered with advanced optical anti-shaking technology and a SC1346 color image sensor chip, it delivers clear, steady images even on the roughest roads. And when the sun dips below the horizon, its built-in LEDs and anti-halo chip ensure that your vision remains sharp and vibrant, transforming night into day with HD 1080p resolution. But functionality doesn't end there. The latest design features a 4.3-inch LCD display, compact yet crystal clear, ensuring your dashboard remains uncluttered while your view stays impeccable. The suction cup bracket? It's designed for durability, with a 360 degrees rotating feature, ensuring the display remains firmly in place no matter how long your drive or how intense the sunlight. And because parking should never be a gamble, the camera offers adjustable parking grid lines, allowing you to tailor them to your vehicle's dimensions. Or if you prefer, switch them off completely. It's universal, adaptable for cars, trucks, trailers, RVs, virtually any vehicle on the road, eradicating blind spots with ease. When you choose the LK3 backup camera, you're not just investing in a product, you're investing in peace of mind. Backed by Tomoya's exceptional service with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 2-year warranty, and lifetime technical support, your satisfaction is our top priority. So if you're searching for a backup camera that combines effortless installation, unwavering reliability, and exceptional quality, look no further than the LK3. It's more than a camera. It's your trusted ally, ensuring every journey is safe, secure, and stress-free. Unlock the convenience of modern technology with our number 4 pick in the best-selling car safety and security products on Amazon. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional keys and embrace the future with the 2 replacement keyless entry remote key fob clicker transmitter designed for Ford, Mazda, Mercury, and Lincoln vehicles. Imagine the freedom of stepping into your vehicle without fumbling for keys. This key fob isn't just a replacement, it's a gateway to seamless keyless entry that blends convenience with cutting-edge security. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to make it work. With the DIY programming instructions available at your fingertips on www.keyfobprogram.com, you'll be guided step by step through the setup process. Simple, intuitive, and designed with you in mind. But what if you hit a snag? No worries. If programming it yourself feels like a bit much, you can easily hand it over to your car dealer, a local technician, or a locksmith. They'll have you up and running in no time, ensuring your vehicle's security is in expert hands. Let's talk about compatibility, a crucial factor in any key fob purchase. This versatile remote is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of vehicles from Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury. Whether you're driving a rugged F-150, a sleek Lincoln MKZ, or a reliable Mercury Grand Marquis, this fob has you covered. It's not just a universal solution, it's the perfect fit for the vehicles you trust. So, what does this mean for you? It means no more worrying about lost or damaged keys. It means easy access to your car with just the press of a button. It means safety, convenience, and peace of mind, all rolled into one sleek, compact device. The 3-button design is straightforward yet effective, offering you control over locking, unlocking, and panic functions without cluttering your keychain with unnecessary bulk. In today's fast-paced world, where every second counts, having a reliable keyless entry system isn't just about convenience. It's about making your life smoother, simpler, and more secure. And with the 2 replacement keyless entry remote key fob, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in an effortless driving experience that keeps up with your lifestyle. Upgrade your vehicle's security with a tool that's as practical as it is powerful. Embrace the ease, the reliability, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're always in control. Because at the end of the day, your vehicle is more than just a mode of transport, it's a part of your life, and it deserves the best. Security isn't just about locking things up. It's about peace of mind, about knowing that wherever you go, your valuable assets are protected. Taking the number 3 spot on our countdown of best-selling car safety and security products on Amazon is the Wsdcam 113 dB bike alarm. This isn't just an alarm, it's a bold statement in the world of security. Imagine this. You've parked your bike or scooter in a bustling city where anything can happen. With Wsdcam's 113 dB bike alarm, you don't just hope it's safe, you know it is. The alarm is powerful enough to scare off would-be thieves, a deterrent that can't be ignored. But what sets this alarm apart is its adaptability. With 7 levels of sensitivity, you can tailor its response to suit your environment. Whether you're parked on a quiet street or in a crowded lot, this alarm responds just the way you want it to. And let's talk volume. This alarm gives you control over how loud you want to be. 3 adjustable levels of sound that make sure you get attention when it's needed most. Rain or shine, this alarm stands guard. Its IP55 waterproof rating means it's built to endure, weathering the storm right alongside your ride. But security isn't just about defense, it's about convenience too. Ever struggled to find your bike in a sea of vehicles? The Wsdcam makes that struggle a thing of the past. With its vehicle search function, you can easily locate your ride in a packed parking lot. 3 different bell sounds guide you straight to it, saving you time and frustration. And the best part? You control it all with a simple, sleek remote. Up to 66 feet away, this remote gives you command over your security, with a strong wireless range that ensures you're always in control. Wsdcam's commitment to quality is evident in every detail. From battery-saving technology that keeps it going longer, to mature sensor technology that ensures reliability, this alarm doesn't just meet industry standards, it exceeds them. You're not just purchasing a product, you're investing in top-tier security that's ready to protect what matters most to you. So whether you're securing a bike, an electric bike, a motorcycle, or a scooter, the Wsdcam 113 dB bike alarm is more than just a safeguard. It's your personal security partner, vigilant and ready, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling car safety and security products on Amazon? If so, don't let your excitement hit the brakes. Give us a like, subscribe, and press that bell icon to keep your safety gear in the fast lane. When it comes to enhancing your vehicle's safety and convenience, sometimes the smallest upgrades make the biggest impact. At number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling car safety and security products on Amazon, we introduced the Universal Car Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket, a simple yet essential accessory that transforms the way you see behind the wheel. We all know the importance of a clear rear view when reversing or parking, but installation can often be a headache. That's where this rear view camera bracket steps in. Designed to replace the small, often frustrating mounts that come with dash cam kits, this license plate bracket makes installation not just easier, but almost effortless. But before you buy, there's a crucial detail to note. The distance between the two screw holes of this bracket is 13 mm, precise and intentional. It's a universal fit, yes, but only if your rear camera shares that same measurement. So take a moment, double check, and then proceed with confidence, knowing this bracket is tailored to fit perfectly with your existing setup. This isn't just about compatibility though. It's about functionality and design that's built to work seamlessly with US car license plates. You're not just mounting a camera, you're ensuring it's positioned perfectly to give you that wide, clear view that's essential for safety. And a quick tip, always test the picture before finalizing your installation to avoid any surprises. The last thing you want is an upside-down view when backing up. The Universal Car Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket is more than just an accessory. It's a tool that brings peace of mind. It's a small investment in the grand scheme of vehicle safety, but one that pays off every time you shift into reverse. Simplicity, functionality, and universal compatibility come together in this essential piece of car tech. So, if you're looking to upgrade your backup camera setup with minimal effort and maximum impact, this bracket is your go-to solution. It's not just about seeing what's behind you, it's about seeing clearly, confidently, and with the assurance that your camera is mounted just right. In a world where technology is ever evolving, so too are the threats that come with it. As we reach the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling car safety and security product on Amazon, we present the Faraday Pouch for car keys by Lampard. This isn't just a pouch, it's your first line of defense against the modern-day menace of car theft. Picture this, your car, your sanctuary, vulnerable to invisible threats. Thieves no longer need to break a window or pick a lock. They can amplify your key fob's signal and access your car without ever touching it. But with the Lampard Faraday Pouch, those worries become a thing of the past. Crafted with cutting-edge RFID blocking technology, this pouch stops those hacking signals in their tracks, ensuring your car remains secure, your peace of mind intact. Small but mighty, this pouch measures just 3.15 by 4.5 inches. Compact enough to slip into your pocket, yet powerful enough to block every signal type you can think of. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, and more. Whether you're carrying one key fob or two, whether it's for your daily driver or your weekend cruiser, this 2-pack has you covered. Each bag is rigorously tested before it reaches you, ensuring it performs flawlessly every time. What sets the Lampard Faraday Pouch apart isn't just its ability to block signals, it's the way it does so with style and strength. Made from carbon fiber material and double layered with military-grade RF shielding cloth, this pouch is as durable as it is effective. Waterproof and wear-resistant, it's designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use while maintaining peak performance. And let's talk about the upgraded design. Practicality meets innovation. The zinc alloy hook allows you to attach the pouch securely to your belt or bag, while the inside keyring ensures your key is always within reach. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, every material carefully chosen to deliver a product that's as reliable as it is robust. In today's fast-paced world, where convenience often comes at the cost of security, the Lampard Faraday Pouch stands as a beacon of protection. It's not just about blocking signals, it's about blocking the worries that come with them. With Lampard, you're not just securing your car, you're securing your peace of mind. So here it is, the ultimate in car safety and security, the product that's topping the charts for a reason. Compact, powerful, and packed with technology that works as hard as you do. The Lampard Faraday Pouch. Protect your car, protect your future. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling car safety and security products on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top picks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check out the pinned comment for links to all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.